Promise that you'll catch me. Promise that you'll catch me. Promise that you'll catch me.
Where I spawn in creative mode, where I spawn in survival mode. Minecraft villager based on true story. Me when I finish the whole game and I have nothing to do. Who is this? Wrong answers only. Who would win? Fully enchanted netherite armor or Bex? I think it's the Bex. Girls' pockets holds half their phone. Boys' pockets. Bro, where did you get that? I think it's creative. Sweet cat. Bro, notice the creeper is scared. When you make a joke and your friend knows the drums. What? You guys always act like you're better than me. Mojang. Me and the boys chilling next to a player's house so he can sleep. Show me the Minecraft movie. I said the real Minecraft movie. Perfection. When you mine 3 cobblestone, I don't need you anymore. Think smarter, not harder. Me selects a level 30 enchantment. The enchantment table falls in the void while in creative mode. Java. Bedrock. Describe a process that could be used to create a simple door. Detention! Villagers thanking me for saving them of the raid. Me who provoked the raid because I wanted lower prices. Fast. Faster. Crazy stupid fast. When I'm mining and I hear tss, my time must come. In kindness there's evil. In evil there's kindness. Balance. Good. And then there's this bitch.